This morning, I got some news that we had a baby lamb born late last night. So I am checking him out for the first time this morning to see how mommy and baby are doing and to make sure all's well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And I'm going to enter the pen here. The rest of the sheep are out at pasture. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Look at you. So, since they're out at pasture, baby are together. Hi, Mommy. Huh? Look at you. Welcome. So it looks like she's strong enough and and big enough. So some of them are a little bit smaller. I mean, it was late last night, so I don't know exactly what time, but she's with mom, and we'll make sure that she's getting her milk from mom, and making sure mom has everything she needs. We usually give a vitamin to the mom, during her pregnancy or just right after. So we'll look at that and see what she needs. But yeah, so it's good bonding this morning, guys. Huh? Really good bonding. How are you? Thank you. Oh, so my cat is nearby, and mommy sheep is like not having it. She's like, nope, don't bother my baby. It's okay. Huh? Yeah, aren't you cute? Hmm? Aren't you precious like your mom? Hmm? Yeah. So I'll let them be, but just wanted to share that what a blessing it is.